What's going on, everybody? I got another video for you guys today. So we're gonna be checking out a Mustang 5.0 post dyno tune. This thing has almost a full exhaust system on it. It has X pipes back, so no aftermarket headers, and then it's got a dyno tune on it. So we're gonna go check that out today. Alright, so before we get this thing on the road, we are going to rotate the tires because they really need it. Alright, so we decided to clean these wheels while they're off the car, so we're gonna do that.
I got a bunch of stuff over here. It's all like, I think half the files are empty, but
You have the same thing. Wheel and tire.
there you go.
What's this? Brake dust. Get that too.
This is like a mask.
Oh, is it?
I don't want to use this because I don't know, my dad used to have a Corvette and then
It ruined it.
it didn't, but like if there's any brake dust on it, it literally is impossible to get off.
Oh, that's what.
Oh, I was looking for that.
Silk shine dressing. Yeah.
Hey guys, so just take a look at this dyno sheet we have here for the car. So the blue here is what it originally was making, both power and torque. You can see here that it is our breach here is around 390, 398, as you can see here. So like 398 max torque originally, and then 403, so just over 400 on the original pass. And then after the tune, we gained about almost 15 horsepower from that, and then about 10 pound-feet of torque. So a pretty sizable gain, and as you can see, it's a very, very consistent graph here. So just thought that would be something cool to show you guys. All right, guys, so it's starting to get pretty late, but we're gonna take this thing for a test drive, check out the new tune, and see what it's putting down. So we're gonna drive around, warm this thing up a little bit before we start doing some pulls. But as of right now, sounds pretty good, looks pretty good. We'll see what it's like.
Nothing's falling off. So.
Wow, that was really the speed limit. All right, Austin, so obviously you drive this car almost every day. Where do you notice the different power gain, and like what's your impression of the new tune?
Right now, second gear, I can notice a lot of gains. First gear, it's been a little hard to tell because I just spin. But now that we rotated the tires, I spin significantly less. Now that the rear tires aren't bald. But I haven't really gotten into higher gears,
okay. So
hopefully we can get onto the highway soon. Maybe do a few pulls there. Other than that, I'm satisfied.
So do you? I know you said you really didn't get into high range yet, but I noticed with my tune it was mid to high more so gains, and it really lengthened the power band in my opinion. What was that the same for you, or what are you thinking?
Yeah, that's where I noticed it most, especially mid, like probably 3,000 to 4,000 RPM. Mm-hmm. Low down, it's and you can see on the dyno sheets, lower down, the torque just isn't there like it does after, like it kicks in after, I think it was like 3,500 or maybe it was 3,000. But definitely up higher, and you can see, especially on the dyno sheets, up top with high RPM. There's a significant improvement over the stock tune.
All right, well, let's hit the highway.
Good. Yep. Oh, hello. Third gear pull.
It's time for Taco Bell.
My favorite.
Oh, yeah. No? Oh, cheesy roll for sure. I think that's good.
Yeah, I already ordered it. Just have to
Hot sauce on the Crunchwrap Supreme, always.
This is literally so delicious.
Zach, thoughts on the food?
Huh?
Thoughts on the food?
It's
Amazing?
Yeah.
Give me the Taco Bell 1 to 10 rating.
It's Taco Bell, so like an 8.
All right, extra special sequence in the video. Today, we are gonna be doing a walk around of a Taco Bell $5 box. Let's see what we have over here.
Can you give us the rundown?
All right, this was on the spot. But for this, right now, we got
That was a waste.
the little cinnamon twist. We got the plain taco, crunchy, of course. We got. I don't know what this is, but it looks amazing. It's got
The
like,
Taco Supreme with a fluffy taco.
yeah, it's like a fluffy taco. I don't know. It's like almost like a pita. And then we got our 5-layer burrito, a staple in any Taco Bell experience.
All right, guys, we made it back. It was a pretty fun night. I am back in my own car now. And that's all for today's video. Thank you so much, guys, for checking this out. Please subscribe. It means the freaking world to me. Thank you so much. See you next video.